It's Halloween again, and our family is continuing with our 4th annual tradition of home decorating. This year we decided to transform our front yard into a few scenes from Alice in Wonderland. Here's a quick look into how we created the elements for our huge arts and crafts project. First, we started with the caterpillar. We purchased a woman's extra large size blue stocking and stuffed it with air packs and packaging material. We also printed the face, several large caterpillar hands and feet, and glued them onto small strips of cardboard so that they were sturdier. And then we glued them onto the body of the caterpillar. The kids then made a letter Y out of cotton balls for the smoking caterpillar. The card soldiers were made from 2 large pieces of foam board that we had lying around the house. We drew the design, cut out the faces, then painted the card symbols. For the Queen of Hearts roses, we made them from large coffee filters. To do this, we cut the coffee filters into 3 sets of patterns. We painted half of the filters with red acrylic paint to simulate the red painted roses, and we left the other half white. Then we hot glued 3 to 4 layers of the different filter shapes around 4.5-inch long metal wires. To make the growing cookies, Alexi used white Crayola Model Magic clay and painted them after they hardened. We then filled a large bottle with water and green food coloring for the shrinking Drink Me potion. The mome rats were the little furry creatures that guided Alice in the right direction. We made these critters from colorful yarn by wrapping them around a 4-inch piece of cardboard 20 times, and then by clipping both ends before tying them all together. We used hot glue to stick all the colorful fur balls onto a piece of cardboard that was cut into the shape of an arrow. Then we created all of our signs from cardboard and traced them with Sharpie, followed by black acrylic paint. Lastly, one of our favorite scenes was the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. We received a donation of used colorful paper lanterns, which was perfect for our setting. And Papa Moomi made the large chairs on display out of painted cardboard and masking tape. Other things we added that were less DIY-ish were the rabbit's clock and the solar-powered light-up flowers. But the stars of our show were the projected images of the Cheshire Cat and the scene with Alice and the singing flowers. We took screenshots of the Cheshire Cat and animated him over a floating screen to create the illusion of the floating cat. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and give us a like to support if you liked what you saw. Happy Halloween!
Hope you liked our video. Please subscribe.